This is Papya Datta, working as a lecturer in Devi Mahalakshmi Polytechnic College. Today I am going to start with the last chapter of Applied Electronics, that is IC voltage regulator. So this is the first bit of last chapter, that is IC voltage regulator. So IC voltage regulator, so a voltage regulator is an integrated circuit that provides a constant fixed output voltage regardless of a change in the load or input voltage. A voltage regulator is one of the most widely used electronic circuitry in any device. A regulated voltage is very important for the smooth functioning of many digital electronic devices. For example, the battery in our car that gets charged from the alternator, the outlet in our home that provides all the electricity we desire, the cell phone we likely keep on hand every minute of the day, they all require a specific voltage in order to function. Fluctuating outputs that jump from plus minus 2 volt can cause inefficient operation and possibly even damage to our charging devices. There is a variety of reasons why a voltage fluctuation may occur: condition of the power grid, other appliances turning off and on, time of day, environmental factors, etc. Due to the need for a steady constant voltage, enter the voltage regulator. The function of a voltage regulator is to maintain a constant DC voltage at the output irrespective of voltage fluctuations at the input and variations in the load current. In other words, voltage regulator produces a regulated DC output voltage. Voltage regulators are also available in integrated circuits forms. These are called as voltage regulator ICs. IC voltage regulator uses integrated circuits for voltage regulation. One advantage of IC voltage regulator is that properties like thermal compensation, short circuit protection and surge protection can be built into the device. Most of the commonly used IC voltage regulators are 3-terminal devices. Now we'll talk about the functional block diagram of IC voltage regulator. So this is the functional block diagram. The regulated output voltage represents minimum and maximum amounts in continuous mode. Output voltage can be fixed or variable or adjustable. The output current which is called as I out, is measured under specified conditions. Dropout voltage, that is denoted by VD, is the minimum voltage drop across the regulator that maintains output voltage regulation. IC voltage regulators that operate with small dropout voltages dissipate less internal power but have relatively high efficiencies. Measured in amperes during the idling state, the quiescent current never makes it to the load. Instead, it flows from the battery to power the regulator itself. The operating temperature is a full required range. Now we'll talk about the types of voltage regulator. So voltage regulator are two types. One is fixed voltage regulator and second one is a variable. In this lecture we'll talk about only the fixed voltage regulator. In the next lecture we'll start with the variable. Now let's just take a minute and try to answer these questions. The 3-terminal fixed output voltage regulators are: how many terminals are there in IC voltage regulator, and in positive feedback both input and output are what? I hope you got the answers. So the 3-terminal fixed output voltage regulators are easy to use and it has less cost. So both A and B are correct. How many terminals are there in IC voltage regulator? So IC voltage regulator, there are 3 terminals. And in positive feedback both input and output are in phase with each other. So these are the answers. Now let's just move forward. So talk about the fixed IC voltage regulator. So a fixed voltage regulator produces a fixed DC output voltage which is either positive or negative. In other words, some fixed voltage regulators produce positive fixed DC voltage values while others produce negative fixed DC voltage values. So first we'll talk about the fixed positive IC voltage regulator. So fixed positive IC voltage regulator provides a fixed positive output voltage. Although many types of IC regulators are available, that is the 7800 series of IC regulator is the most popular. 78XX voltage regulator ICs produce positive fixed DC voltage values. Here XX corresponds to a two-digit number and represents the amount or magnitude of voltage that voltage regulator IC produces. The 78XX voltage regulator ICs have 3 pins and third pin is used for collecting the output from them. The first and second pins of 78XX voltage regulator ICs are used for connecting the input and ground respectively. The 78XX series provides fixed regulated voltages from plus 5 volt to plus 24 volt. For example, 7805 voltage regulator IC produces a DC voltage of plus 5 volt. So this is a table where you will get the type number of positive voltage regulator and what will be the output you will get after using this IC. So 7805 will produce plus 5 volt output voltage, 7806 will produce plus 6 volt, 7808 will produce plus 8 volt, 7809 will produce plus 9 volt, 7812 will produce plus 12 volt, 7815 will produce plus 15 volt, 7818 will produce plus 18 volt and 7824 will produce plus 24 volt. So 78XX, wherever the XX terms are there, that amount of voltage it will going to produce. Now this is a circuit diagram of fixed positive IC voltage regulator, and the following figure shows how to produce a fixed positive voltage at the output by using a fixed positive voltage regulator with the necessary connections. So as voltage regulator has 3 pins: input, ground and output. So in the figure, the input capacitor Ci is used to prevent unwanted oscillations, and the output capacitor C0 acts as a line filter to improve the transient response, and third pin is the ground. Now we'll talk about the fixed negative IC voltage regulator. So this IC regulator provides a fixed negative output voltage. The 79XX series of IC regulators is commonly used for this purpose. So this 79XX series is the negative voltage counterpart of the 78XX series. Here XX corresponds to a two-digit number and represents the amount of voltage that voltage regulator IC produces. The 79XX voltage regulator ICs have 3 pins and the third pin is used for collecting the output from them. The first and second pins of 79XX voltage regulator ICs are used for connecting the ground and input respectively. The 79XX series provides fixed regulated voltages from minus 5 volt to minus 24 volt. For example, 7905 voltage regulator IC produces a DC voltage of minus 5 volt. So wherever the 79 series will be there, it will produce the negative voltage. So 7905 will produce minus 5 volt, 7905.2 will produce minus 5.2 volt, 7906 will produce minus 6 volt, 7908 will produce minus 8 volt, 7912 will produce minus 12 volt, 7915 will produce minus 15 volt, 7918 will produce minus 18 volt and 7924 will produce minus 24 volt. So this is the circuit diagram of fixed negative IC voltage regulator. So the following figure shows how to produce a fixed negative voltage at the output by using a fixed negative voltage regulator with necessary connections. So in the figure, the input capacitor Ci is used to prevent unwanted oscillations and the output capacitor C0 acts as a line filter to improve the transient response. Now we'll talk about the features of IC voltage regulator. So first one is it has multiple outputs or channels, internal circuit to control the amount of current produced, an error flag for monitoring outputs that drop below a nominal value. It has reverse voltage protection which prevents damage in applications where users can accidentally reverse the battery polarity. Thermal shutdown protections turn off IC voltage regulators when the temperature exceeds a predefined limit. And lastly, shutdown pins are used to disable the regulator outputs. So these are the features of IC voltage regulator. Now let's just take a minute and try to answer these questions. Dash is an example of fixed positive voltage regulator. Dash is an example of fixed negative voltage regulator, and the fixed voltage regulator, positive voltage regulators provide voltage in the range of what? I hope you got the answers. So 7805 is an example of fixed positive voltage regulator. So answer A is correct. And here 7905 is an example for fixed negative voltage regulator. The answer C is correct. And the fixed positive voltage regulator provides voltage in the range of plus 5 volt to plus 24 volt. So these are the answer A, C, C. I hope you have understood the concept of IC voltage regulator. Thank you.